Hello, so today we were going fig hunting. Oh, I already see one, homie. Yeah, this one's good. The whole fig thing here. Super good. If you haven't tried a fig yet, I definitely highly recommend it. It's super sweet. Like super duper sweet. Very sweet. Yeah, there might be another one. I'll probably get in here somewhere. I already know. Probably going to be a couple more. I mean, there are like lots of other figs, but those ones aren't ripe. I remember I saw like a couple on this side one day. Yeah, you can see here. There's gigantic fig. I don't think it's ready yet. It's to be like brown. Tell me if that's. Oh look, bird's nest. That's pretty cool. That's not right. This is ripe. And this is a ripe fig. This is usually what they look like. Whoa. Oh, hornet friend. I'd highly recommend eating figs. They're super good. Bye-bye.